Hello everybody, this is a random pets update video. I was playing pets and I thought, you know, why not do a pets update video? Because, well, as you can see here, I have all these different dogs in my game, and I was thinking of finding a mate for Chia here. So, yeah, I guess I don't want to spoil it quite yet. So Chia, I've had Chia for quite some time. She has yet to find a mate. I was hoping she would fall in love with Conifer, but she never really did. I think she did for a minute, but then she fell out of love, probably because I never let them have any puppies or whatever. I kept them distracted with sports because it wasn't time for them to have a family. And she's been a happy dog. She's competed in the Summer Olympics, and now that the Summer Olympics is coming to a close, it's August the 20th. It'll be over before long. I've decided it's the right time for her to find a mate. And so all these different dogs in game, these are, one of them's not even a dog. One of them is a cat. So obviously he's not a contender. But I decided, I had all these dogs I've adopted over the years. I found a folder filled with them. And I thought I could just let them out. I could let her find a mate. And then there was this beautiful dog. His name is Glaze. And I've had Glaze for some time now. When did I adopt him? I adopted him in 2018. He's such a beautiful dog. For some reason, I always wanted to naturally raise him, but for some reason I never did. I'm not sure why. But he's been one of those dogs I've kept for so long that I've thought about every now and then. And I was hoping she would fall in love with him, and because he's such a beautiful dog. And I was just thinking, well, he could make some beautiful puppies with her, and he could be such a nice addition to the family. He could get the attention he deserves if he joins the Summer Olympic athlete family. I adopted him from Pear Flower Kennels back in 2018, and I never did enough with him. But anyway, I decided let's let Chia and Glaze meet individually and see how they like each other. I thought I would, and as it comes to find out, they really like each other. They started playing, and listen to that. They're actually, they have feelings for each other. They're falling in love, and I love that. This just happened like 10 minutes ago. I got excited, and then I thought, you know what, this is lovely. This is the perfect time for an update, and I thought I can make it a video. And then I thought, before they go any farther, let's see if Glaze has any kind of athletic ability. Because that's really what the bloodline is about, is breeding dogs who excel in the Summer Olympics. I was thinking maybe he would. I was hoping he would. He's beautiful, and he has feelings for Chia, and I could not, I couldn't cancel him. Even if he sucked at Olympic stuff and sport, I couldn't just say, nope, she can't be married to this one. She must have another one, because it's sentimental. She's gotta be with the one she really cares about. And he's taken an interest to the soccer ball, actually. And so does Chia. Chia knows it's the soccer ball is something to be excited about. Well, I'm going to put her away for now, and he's going to get sad, unfortunately. But we want to see just how well he actually does at sports. We're going to cheer him on. If he doesn't do too well, then I know he can get better. He can just have some training. And but I was thinking, I wonder how he would do at soccer. I thought I'd take him out here on the soccer field and just test his athletic abilities, because I was thinking maybe he has some real potential. I mean, if he's half as talented as he is handsome, maybe he'll actually be a very good competitor. Well, now he knows how to make a goal. He could he could be good at soccer, it appears. Oh, did you see that? He just kicked it. He kicked that ball. He's like, look what I can do. He's showing some potential. Now he's just being lazy. I mean, what is that pose? What's that even supposed to be? He's barking while he's doing it. That looks uncomfortable. How does he like a stick? Can he catch a stick? I don't know if I've had a dog to catch a stick before. Oh, look at him. He tried. I like that. He's got it going on. I'm getting excited real fast, but I mean, he's got drive. He's got that sports drive. He wants to catch that stick. Maybe he's a stick catcher. Oh, you know, Glaze, I think your problem is that stick was sitting there. You should have caught it, but you didn't because you had the soccer ball in your mouth. Maybe he's over antsy about sports. I mean, look, he wanted that stick. He's showing some good potential so far. I wonder if he likes the hoop. I'm just throwing all kinds of things at him. I want to get a feel for his athletic ability, if he has any, and what his athletic aptitude is. Because we're really trying to test the dogs to see just what area of the Summer Olympics do they really excel. Or, I mean, what area of this pet sport are they the best at? That way we know what their special talent is. Once we find that talent, then, only then is when we can actually let them excel. You know, if there's a soccer tournament, you know, to enter your best soccer dogs. If there's, you know, if there's a mousing contest, you know which one would be best, you know, etc. You know which one, so that they can really live up to their potential and have the best careers possible. It's not super serious, but I like them to be the best at something. Find their talent. And he matches the hoop. He's kind of timid. I don't think he's jumped through a hoop before. He likes the soccer balls though. He also likes the sticks. This might just be the introduction video to Glaze. I mean, he's new and joining our family. It was just recently I decided he could actually be part of this family because he's really taken a liking to Chia, and that warms my heart. I think the stick just doesn't stay in the air long enough for him to catch it. Yes, he caught the stick. Oh, he just caught it. He's a jolly good lad. He managed to catch that stick. So I bet he'd also be really good at catching the frisbee, maybe. Yeah, look at him. He's all over it. He wants that frisbee. He's like, that was too easy. No, it hasn't flew yet. You must catch it. Oh, look at him. He jumped real high. He tried to catch it. I think he's going to fit in just wonderfully with the other dogs. Oh, he's trying. I can appreciate his enthusiasm. He's not giving up. Come on, Glaze, you got this. You can do it. Focus. Oh, he tried. He almost had it. Can't blame him. He hasn't had any practice sitting in that folder for all those years. He's probably just chuffed to bits he gets a chance to shine today. Oh, he tripped. He was just so happy he tripped carrying a frisbee. You got this. He got the stick. Maybe he likes the stick more than the frisbee. Oh, well, that works. I mean, he pinned it down. Well, I can tell he has a good interest in stick catching and frisbee catching. He has more practice to do, but, I mean, he's got really good potential. He seems to like soccer as well. I mean, that's great. He is not shy to tackle that soccer ball. Let's see if I could get him interested in hoop jumping. I mean, that's a fun athletic thing to do. I don't think he's ever jumped a hoop before, though. Oh, yes. He made it. He jumped the hoop. I'm proud of him. It doesn't take much. It appears he likes soccer and stick catching and frisbee pursuing more than the hoop. I think he might grow to like the hoop, but I really like the areas he's excelling in. I think that it's just wonderful. I'm gonna take him and Chia out so y'all can see just how much they like each other. 'Cause it's delightful. Maybe I'll dress him up. He needs it. He deserves it. He's part of the family now. I'm grateful. I'm grateful he's got his time to shine. He's got his moment of glory and many more moments of glory to come in the pet sports community. And they really like each other. You know, yellow collar, I guess. Team Sunshine so far. Just some cute little clothes. Make them look a little more fancy, I guess you would say. It appears Glaze is licking the catnip. I'm not sure if I'll keep his name as Glaze, but then again, why not? I always like the name Glaze because it reminds me of donuts. Now it's even more relevant because I work at Dunkin', so maybe his name will stay Glaze. Maybe I'll let them have some donut-themed family. This is a good opportunity. I mean, why not? Glaze is distracted. I was hoping he would be a little more affectionate with Chia. He's jazzed. He's drinking some hot cocoa. And the two are play fighting over the hot cocoa. Glaze is going... I'm going to have to introduce him to the rest of the family. I might have to record that, or I'll post pictures, one of the two. They're getting along great. I'm really happy these two have hit it off, and I'm so excited for them, their future together. I think it'll be another love story in Pet's history. It's being made.